Hello mga boss, this is Boss Rod and nandito na naman ako para pagalitan ka kung ikaw man yung tinutukoy ko. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon about having specialization or being an expert to one field, no? So, eto, dami nangyayaring ganito, no guys? Parang ang lagi nilang measurement, no? Para masabing magaling ka, dapat alam mo maraming language, no? I know a lot of programming language and I'm Superman. Diba? That doesn't make sense. No? Kung isa ka sa mga tao na nagsasabi, Angular lang, PHP lang, Vue lang yung alam. Uy, ang gawin mo, lumabas ka muna ng bahay and maghanap ka muna ng mga damo. No? Hawak-hawak ka muna sa mga damo, ganyan, no? And then magpahangin ka muna. Yung may fresh air, no? Huwag dito sa Manila, mausok. Okay? Tigilan mo na yun, boss. Tigilan mo na. Doesn't make sense. Okay? So, bibigyan kita magandang analogy, no? So, if you want to become a good singer, anong kailangan mong gawin? Kailangan mo bang, okay, pag singer ka, no? Magpa-practice ka ng boxing. And then, magpa-practice ka na naman. Swimmer naman. And then ngayon, magiging track and field ka din. Do you think magiging professional singer ka kung marami kang ginagawang bagay? So, if you're going to choose to become a master of one field, you should focus on that one field. That's gonna be the same thing on the programming language. So, if you want to become an expert in one specific language, because having a longer experience in a specific programming language matters rather than you only have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months working on different kinds of programming language. The reason for that is how confident you are dun sa programming language na yun. So, kung sasabihin mo sa akin, marami akong programming language, no, na alam. Alam ko yung Go, alam ko yung Rust, alam ko yung Angular, alam ko yung C++, alam ko yung C#, .NET, alam ko yung kung ano-ano pa, no? Pero sasabihin mo sa akin, 3 months ng experience mo doon, 2 months ng experience mo doon, 5 months ng experience mo doon. How confident you are na alam mo yung pinaka-behavior ng specific programming language na, diba? Hindi mo masyadong masasabi. Kasi nga, if you have a lot of experience working on that specific programming language or that specific tool na ginagamit mo, you know yung mga possible foot gun na you might experience working with that specific programming language. Kaya nga meron tayo tinatawag mga senior, di ba? Mga senior, chief. Kasi nga, expert sila sa field na yon. Alam na nila yung mga possible na ma-experience mo along the way. Why? Using yung mga tools na yun. Okay? Kung isa ka sa mga taong nagsasabi na, PHP lang yung alam, magbago ka na, boss. Ay, kita mo yung meme, di ba? Yung sabi nila, PHP is dead. Tapos sasabihin nila, JavaScript lang yung alam mo. May kita mo yung magpupuna sila ng luwa tapos may pera, no? C# lang yung alam mo, magpupuna sila ng pera. Kasi nga mga boss, it doesn't make sense if you have a lot of programming language na alam, pero you don't have enough experience working with those programming language. Okay? So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na, balik ito sa nanay mo. Sige na, bye.